Imagine sitting in front of your computer looking at your blockchain wallet. You have just received $1,088 worth of Bitcoin every single day for the next 14 days, totaling up to $15,232 of Bitcoin earned. This is how to invest in Bitcoin in 2025 without breaking the bank. Cloud mining allows you to mine Bitcoin without actually having to set up the mining hardware remotely. This model of Bitcoin investing is ideal for both institutional investors and the everyday investor seeking to amass Bitcoin, whether to hold or flip to earn profits. But how does cloud mining work? Well, the process of mining Bitcoin in a commercial mining pool setup is indeed cumbersome and complex, but not for the investor. You basically rent the computing power of a mining rig from a mining company. The company will then use that power to generate Bitcoin, and you will receive a portion of the profits based on the amount of time you have rented the computing power for. The following factors are what makes cloud mining profitable: the use of advanced miners like the Bitmain Antminer S21 Pro and the Bitmain Antminer S21 Head. Also, the cost of electricity, among other factors. Interestingly, many cloud mining companies generate their own power, hence keeping the cost down. In fact, some of the largest mining pools in the world, such as Affordably, BTC.com, VABTC, and of course Auto Rig Mine, which offers the most profitable mining contracts, all have their own power generating plants. This means that they can offer competitive rates to their customers. Auto Rig Mine has over 70,000 active users worldwide and manages more than 600,000 mining machines. So, how can you invest in a cloud mining project? Most of these projects are only open to accredited investors, meaning that you need to have a certain amount of money in order to invest. However, there are a few projects that are open to everyone. One of such is Auto Rig Mine. You may want to ask, how much Bitcoin can be mined on this project? Well, it depends on the mining contract purchased. You earn up to 0.009 to BTC for 14 days on the leased mining plan, and withdrawal can be done daily and throughout the course of the contract. And the best part, there is zero risks involved in the cloud mining model of Bitcoin investing. If the price of Bitcoin goes down, you do not lose your capital nor your accumulated earnings. Your earning remains consistent regardless of market fluctuations. So, what are the advantages of investing in a cloud mining project? First of all, it's a less risky way to get into Bitcoin. You don't need to set up anything, buy expensive hardware, break the bank, or learn about mining. All you need to do is sign up, choose a mining plan, fund your wallet for purchase, and then sit back and watch your earnings grow. Secondly, it's a very profitable way to invest. As we saw earlier, you can earn reasonable Bitcoin in a set time without having to worry about losing capital invested. We are happy to announce that Foundry Capital are partners with the world's leading hash power broker, Auto Rig Mine. Use the code CAPTA5 for 20% deposit on your wallet after registration for purchase of your desired mining plan. Find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Do give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification bell so we can bring you more of this type of information.